How to add someone on Snapchat without saying added by username. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can add someone on Snapchat without showing them the notification that you added them by the username. The first option is to add them from your contact list. If you go to your add friend, here you can find quick add and you can find all contacts. Now if you sync your contacts, you can find your friends here. So if you already have the contact of the person you want to add, you can easily add them without showing them the notification that you added them from search. Now the second way is to use Snapcode. This is Snapcode. Snapcodes are unique codes that can be scanned in the Snapchat app to add friends. You can create a custom Snapcode for yourself and send it to the person you want to add, or you can ask the friend or someone else to share their custom Snapcode. This way they won't receive a notification saying that you added them by username. The third option is to use Quick Add. Quick Add is a feature in Snapchat that suggests friend to add based on mutual friends or shared interest. If the person you want to add is in your Quick Add suggestions, you can add them from there without them receiving a notification saying that you added them by username. It's important to note that if the person has the privacy settings set to allow only friends to add them, they may still receive a notification saying that you added them even if you use one of these methods. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.